not 1, 2, 3, but 4 wireless microphones. This right here is the 7 Rhymes D40 4-channel wireless microphone. The D40 is a lightweight and portable 4-channel wireless microphone suitable for scenarios like video conferencing, live streams, interviews, and many more. Right off the box, it comes with 4 transmitters, 1 receiver, 1 charging case, and a carrying pouch. Inside the carrying pouch, you will find a TRS to TRS transmitter cable, a TRS to TRRS transmitter cable, 4 wind muffs, 4 magnetic plates, and 1 user manual. With its included charging case, the mic not only supports 10 hours of battery life but also active noise cancellation returns your audio from this to this in one click. On the right of the mic, you will find a volume button which allows you to change from 4 different audio levels for easy volume control on the microphone. Finally, if you're recording an interview that consists of multiple people like this microphone also allows you to record in both mono or stereo mode.